the industry's lightest and thinnest large foldable Onomagic V5. Unboxing at the premiere. I got the Sunrise Gold version. It comes with a 66-watt fast charger and a phone case with the same color leather texture as the body. And the unfolded lens can even serve as
a stand. Now let's take a look at the true appearance of the Onomagic V5. The back has a texture similar to CNC machining, resembling metal material, with a black to gold gradient color scheme, a metal middle frame, and this central axis texture design, giving off a high-end luxurious feel.
The circular camera module this time also includes a periscope telephoto. Judging by the protrusion height, its imaging capability should not be underestimated. Do not underestimate it. When unfolded, it is nearly as thick as 4 bank cards. Its folding thickness officially breaks the physical limit, surpassing the 8.93 of the Oppo Find N5 to become the thinnest in the industry at 0.8 millimeters. No different from a regular cardboard box. Once unfolded, it still boasts a super large internal screen of 7.95 inches, with a crease even better controlled than the previous generation, and its battery life is also robust, with both wired and wireless capabilities fully arranged for you. Additionally, it features more powerful and convenient AI capabilities this time. With such a thin and light large foldable Onomagic V5, are you tempted?